Hi, I'm Dave from Vanworx, and this is our latest MaxTraxx crafter. So this is a MAN TGE in Reflex Silver. We were building this for the latest NEC October 2023 caravan and camping show. One of our customers has decided to buy it just as we were going into build, so we built it to his specification. I think you'll all agree he's picked some really good choices on this one. Okay, so this one here has got our 17-inch Delta wheels. It's got a Vanworx lift kit. It's got the full Vanworx VW arch kit, cycle rock sliders, and then coming around to the front, you've got the laser lights with the LED headlights, which is just awesome at night. We fitted the Vanworx roof rack. The customer's deleted the light bar. It's got the 2-lay electric awning. We've got the 5th Delta 17-inch wheel with our spare wheel carrier and new ladder with fixation points for combi boxes and other gadgets. On the outside of this vehicle, we've got a carbon fibre pod, which allows 6'3" height or tool in the bed. Okay, so let's have a look inside. So this is our popular 4-seater 2-berth MaxTraxx. So it has the all-important shower and toilet. So we've got factory single seats with swivels and they're heated seats. We've got the twin rear seat, which is reclining and slides. It's all been retrimmed in our leather, which is all done in-house. It's a seashell blue leather with a cherry stitch. It looks quite pink and it looks amazing. Okay, so this is the 2-litre, 180 horsepower MAN TGE. It's the 4x4, which is a super rare thing at the moment, and it's got diff lock as well. Our spec is pretty big. We've got heated steering wheel, cruise control, navigation. So we start with a really high spec based vehicle. This vehicle is completely gas free. So the hot water, the cooking, and also all the heating runs on either lithium batteries or diesel. We're running 260 amp hours of leisure batteries here, and that can be upgraded if you need. And we've got 360 watts of solar on the roof. So with the medium wheelbase, we've tried to work on all of the proportions of the vehicle. So you've got a good seating area, a good shower area, and also, most importantly, a really comfortable bed, and that's about 130 centimetres wide. We fully insulate the vehicles. We've also just brought in this material here. So this comes in from the States and comes in a few different colours, but is a really nice alternative to some of the Alcantara. It's quite hard wearing. We don't fit aircon to the vehicles, and well, unless requested. We do fit max fans. So we've experimented with these fans massively. They're huge in the States and they circulate the air. So you can be at quite a high temperature when you're camping, and it's amazing how effective these are. And then that, when you're off grid with the leisure batteries, it's a really good solution. Okay, so this van's been built with the fjord green furniture. We've had so many good comments at the NEC. People absolutely love this colour combination, and the customer's done a great job with the combo that he's pulled together. We maximise all of our storage, and all of our furniture is pressed onto a birch ply. So we love this edging, and it really suits the kind of off-grid vehicle, and we're quite well known for this in the UK now. We've got a hot shower, which is accessible. Basically, you've got the shower cubicle, and you've also got the shower at the back of the vehicle. And you've got a choice of either chemical loos or compost loos. Okay, so in the bed, we're 130 centimetres width, so it's a nice double size. We've got 6'3", maybe a touch more in height. This vehicle's fitted with the Dometic rear windows, and they've also got the blinds in and the fly mesh. We've got maximised the storage, charging points, your lights. Got a max fan above the bed, And this bed, we've just worked so hard to get this right. We're working with a company in Germany, and this bed is just, our goal is to be better than any bed you get at home. We want you sleeping amazingly in these vans, and I think with this mattress, we've succeeded. So we fit Dometic windows to our vehicles. So you've got 2 on the sides and optional ones on the rear. As said, this vehicle is completely gas-free. So we're running an induction hob, twin induction hob. We've got our 2-way folding fridge and freezer. This is so handy if you want to be outside and grab a beer or whatever. It's just really perfect access. Super efficient as well. Got our light switches, got a range of charging points. This customer's spec twin 3-pin twin household sockets here, but they could literally go anywhere you like. Got a range of drawers and storage. This has got the Peak Staron worktop with underslung sink. I'm really loving how this has been prepared. It's got the grooves, so you've got a really nice draining board, and you've got the matte black household tap. So it's a really nice contrast and just adds a bit of luxury. We fit all of our vehicles with rear speakers, and this vehicle has got the C-Zone management system. So Dan, our technical director, has worked extensively ensuring your electrics are very robust and very capable. And C-Zone really integrates into the conversion perfectly and really gives a nice interface to control your off-grid camping. So this is our shower room, so it's a really nice size. We've got a MaxFan shower air vent to take out any moisture out of the vehicle. We've also plumbed in the central heating into the shower room. So if you've got any wet kit, you can hang it in here, close the door and basically dry it. And with that MaxFan shower vent, you're going to get rid of the moisture as well. You've got a choice of chemical or compost toilets. So depending on how remote you plan to get, we can make recommendations on what fit out you go for. Typically it's raining, but we'll go with it. This vehicle, as said, it's got the California Dometic rear windows. We've also got these new storage pouches, which come from our friends Vandermoon in Poland. We can supply these parts if you like, they're awesome. When we designed this vehicle, it was essential that the garage could take at least 1 bike. It actually probably takes more like 3 if you break them down, and also space for a longboard, so you can actually put a huge longboard through the middle of the van. With bikes in mind, we've got charging for e-bikes, we've got USB, USB-C and 12-volt charging available. On this side, we've got water hookup, got hot and cold shower. The pressure's good, so washing a bike, giving your dog a warm shower, it's really good setup. Okay, so as we've fitted a really good sized tambour door, this allows access from the living area into the garage if it's raining, snowing, or you just generally don't want to go outside. You can let your dog sleep in here. It's a really nice warm space. We've got LED lighting, all your charge points, and as you can see, you've got a couple of access points to the mechanics behind the conversion. So we use the Webasto Thermotop hot water and heating system. So this has a 240 volt immersion element in the tank, which can save on diesel when you're on hookup and heating the water. We fit the vehicle with its own thermostat, and this is all plug and play with your management system, so it all integrates really nicely to live with. We're using 70 litres of fresh water and 70 litres of wastewater. This can go up if you go to a 2-wheel drive vehicle. Thanks a lot for looking around this vehicle. We can't wait to hand this over to the customer in the coming days. Please get in touch with us if you're looking for one of the last VW Transporter T6.1 chassis or any of our MaxTraxx crafter conversions. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully see you next time.